Redditors who banned people from their home. What did they do? My cousin asked to stay with us for the weekend, and I thought, all right, let's catch up. But I made it clear from the start that we have some house rules. Clean up after yourself and don't leave a mess. She agreed, so everything seemed fine. But when she arrived, everything changed. I was at work, and she decided to invite a bunch of her friends over. When I got home, I saw the cushions from my couch on the floor, pizza boxes scattered everywhere, and the worst part, an entire perfume bottle spilled on my brand new rug. I asked her, what happened here? She just shrugged and said, we were just chilling. And then I found out she had used my toothbrush and completely trashed the bathroom. I was in shock. I calmly told her, you need to leave. She seemed a bit confused, but once she understood, she quietly left. Now she's permanently off my guest list.